This 2023 Jayco White Hawk 29RL rear living slide, theater seats and sofa, bed is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 35 feet 9 inches in length and features one slide-out, a modern farmhouse interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, skylight, TV, external shower, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Jayco White Hawk 29RL rear living slide, theater seats and sofa, bed is 7,490 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.